Peace be upon you. Do you channel to display your talent to the whole world, or do you tend to teach others and share your knowledge with them? Or you want to create a YouTube channel to earn some extra money? There is no doubt that creating a YouTube channel is a great idea. But wait. You must first learn how to create a YouTube channel and how to choose a successful name for it. And you learn how to choose the topics of your videos and choose a suitable title for them. You will also learn how to create thumbnails for your videos. And you learn to choose keywords for your videos to ensure their rapid spread. You will also learn how to professionally edit your videos. For that, you should invest in yourself a little. As Robin Sharma said, the swiftest way to triple your success is to double your investment in personal development. In this video, I came to help you a little and recommend the best paid and free courses that explain how to create a YouTube channel from the beginning until your channel becomes famous and tops the first search results on YouTube. In the description of the video, you will find all the links to the courses that we talked about in this video. Let's start together. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the channel and press the like button, as this supports us to publish more videos. 1. YouTube Masterclass. 2. Complete YouTube course. 2. Complete YouTube course, audio and video production at home. 3. Free training, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. For YouTube course, learn how to grow your YouTube channel. Free course. 5. Learning YouTube SEO LinkedIn Learning. 6. Stand out on YouTube SkillShare. 7. YouTube Success, script, shoot and edit. 8. Small business marketing using YouTube. 9. YouTube creators. These other videos on my channel for more. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. That's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.